Hey traders, Shane from GMT Futures and FX. Welcome back. I'm going to take you through one of our coffee strategies here. It's SN391. So it's running on our trend trader system. The SN391 just stands for the system number we give that strategy so we can reference it when we need to, so our traders can. But this is running on a 55 tick. It's using our trend trader system. Very simple strategy because it just is nice and clean, easy, simple, and it's fully automated, which is fantastic. But this has been powering along on our coffee market. So let's have a look at how the trend trader works, just a quick review or preview of how it works. And then we're going to go and have a look at basically this performance report and then see where this system stacks up in our top 10. So the trend, to get into a long trend setup, we need to break this dynamic support resistance. So we've built into our strategy these dynamic support resistance values, they're proprietary indicators, and that allows us to determine where the market is potentially moving to a point where there's going to be energy and acceleration in the market. So once it breaks those periods of support resistance, we've got a potential trade. So a long setup would be the cyan candles, which we have here. And then once we get into that trade, we're using one of three of our trailing stops. And in this instance, we're using our support resistance trailing stop. As you can see, it gets taken out up the top. So this is just a really good, and coffee's been running well. The volatility's on coffee at the moment, so it's a great market to be trading. Now let's have a look at the overall performance on coffee for the week. Now we've had a couple of really good days, and the great thing about this strategy is that it doesn't, when it has a losing day, it's not really, they're not big losing days, as you can see there. You know, $300, $400, 100, 685 was the most recent biggest losing day. But look at the winning days. Yesterday we had 820, the day before 2000, then 335, then you've got another $3,000 trade. So just a really good collection of big winning trades. And you can see already there that the risk to reward is fantastic because we're not getting a lot of trades, but our payoff is exceptionally good. So I don't really need to even go to the performance summary to even quickly look at what the average trade net profit is going to be, because I know it's going to be very high. It's 432, so that's outstanding. I know also that my profit factor is going to be really good, 3.84, which it is. And if we go down to the key stats there, our max drawdown is 1187. That is super. So all the benchmark things that we look at as traders, 51% win rate. Now, let's have a look at where this system has been running beautifully. Let's have a look at it, and there's the equity graph. Let's have a look at its performance, though, over the last, on a monthly basis. So June and July have been outstanding. May, not so great, but June and July, fantastic. And it's really tracking well. Weekly, it's pulling some big numbers as well on a weekly basis. Now let's see where this system stacks up in our top 10. So if we look at our top 10, which we've got here, you can see that SN391 is sitting in second place in our top 10 on coffee. So over the 28 weeks that we've been tracking this strategy, it's pulled in $58,851. The last month has been spectacular, almost $10,000 in the last month. So this thing is powering along at the moment. SN391 coffee, 55 tick. A smaller tick setting means you're going to get a lot more trades, but we've got a few filters on this, a higher time frame filter, and we also have a momentum-based filter, which really just keeps us out of the choppy type market conditions, and it's where we're getting a lot of benefit from that, and obviously you can see we're reaping the rewards on the overall profit. So just a really good result there. SN391 sitting in second place on our overall system tracker and doing very, very well. So just thought I'd do a quick update on coffee. Cheers. Thanks for joining us today, traders. If you'd like to become part of our team in 2014, all you need to do is contact either myself or Luke at info@gmtfutures.com, and we can get you started pretty much straight away. So if you've always wanted to become a professional trader and you want to start using a high performance automated system, then definitely send us an email, info@gmtfutures.com or shane@gmtfutures.com, or you can either give us a call at 61733600875 and we can get you started straight away. So any questions, feel free to send them through. Otherwise, have a fantastic day, and I look forward to catching you on the next update. Cheers.